I don't know whether to be concerned or impressed. I'm gonna go with impressed. I'm Megan D'Amato.
Jacqueline.
What are your plans tonight, Jacqueline?
I have no plans.
Well, then we should have another drink. So, what's eating at you?
I don't want to talk about that.
Well, all right then. Here's to me.
To you?
To me. It's a beautiful night. Beautiful people. It's as good a reason as any.
Cheers.
So, do you want to come home with me?
Yes. What do you do to me? What do you have?
Have anything? I'm hungover. You look like hell, though.
Well, you don't look like any Aphrodite yourself.
Why are you here?
I don't know. I felt like I needed to come.
Look, I don't do the relationship thing. Like, we...
No. I'm married. I don't know. I felt like this was something I needed to do.
Look, you can't be here. You gotta go. Like, you can't do this. You gotta go.
Hey, Jackie.
Hey, how's your day going?
I could ask you the same thing. Gone all night, no text? If I was a different man, I'd think you were cheating. Anyway, all the guys at work were talking about that new restaurant, Uptown Snug. Apparently they got some new hotshot dyke chef, Megan D'Amato, from the big city. I guess their food is to die for. You know what? I don't think I can take another day of them rubbing that in my face. So put yourself together. I'd say let's go now, but you look terrible. So go put some makeup on or something. Where the fuck are you going? Christ, what is wrong with you? I'm gonna go have a beer with the guys. Figure yourself out. I'll be back in an hour to pick you up for dinner.
When you were here earlier, it's the first time I felt good all day. I wanted to see if it would happen again.
It's like we were meant to be together.
So this is it, huh? You're sleeping with the lesbo chef? Where'd you even meet her at? Did you go to Uptown Snug without me? Why am I always last, huh? We've been together 5 years. How could you do this to me? What the hell, Jackie?
My name is Jacqueline.